Hello everybody, you should be in social studies. It is May 5th. This is what your page should look like, okay? So it's Tuesday, so for our opening you guys are going to read your learning target. For your mini lesson, if you can join the Zoom meeting at 11:30, that would be really beneficial. You guys are going to learn a lot. We're going to go over the PowerPoint slides that I'm putting on this page now. For your work period today, you're just going to be reviewing some slides and you're going to be taking some notes from home because we do have a test tomorrow. So, our learning target says, I can explain the impact of British discrimination on Aboriginal culture and lifestyle in the 20th century. Mini lesson right here, Zoom meeting from 11:30 to 12:30. Your parents all should have a link in their email. And your work period. Go through all of these slides, okay? In the red, it gives you the answer, and then it gives you why this is the answer, okay? This is kind of an outline for our test tomorrow on Australia. That is what I want you guys to do on this and take notes on it, okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.